Hey guys, so whoever is coming to Canada, and please be prepared about this common issue here that occurs after every 1 to 2 months. The medicines are sold out here at every pharmacy. The cold and cough medicines, paracetamol and Panadol and anti-allergies, they are frequently sold out everywhere in the pharmacies, and we literally have to rush to every area to get that. So bring your own medicines if you are coming here, and bring a huge stock because you will be needing that throughout the year. As you all know, allergies are very, very common here in Canada.